Welcome to Easy Learning YouTube channel kids. Today we're going to learn Vedic Maths. Topic is all from 9, loss from 10, 1 less again. This is method 2. In this condition, number above 1 followed by 0, then this method 2 will follow like 20, 300, 4000, 50,000 etc. So first question, 20 minus 2. So above 1 followed by 0 is given. The condition is true. So method 2 will follow. First last from 10. So last from 10, 10 minus 2, 8. And then next is number. Number should be 1 less again. So we want to less 1. Less 1 the 2. So we will get 1. So answer is 18. So second sum. Last from 10, 10 minus 4, 6. 1 less again. So 3 minus 1, 2. 26. Third sum. Last from 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 1 less again. Number. If number is given, then we want to 1 less again. 1 less again. So 8 minus 1, 7. So next sum, 2 zeros are there. So last from 10. 10 minus 2, 8. Next followed by 9 because condition is last from 10, all from 9, last from 10, 1 less again. So last from 10, then remaining things subtract by 9. So 9 minus 4, 5. Then 1 less again. So 6. Next question. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 4, 5. 1 less again. So answer 2555. Next sum. Last from all from 9, last from 10, 1 less again. So last from 10, 10 minus 2, 8. Then remaining things subtract by 9. 0 minus 1. 9 minus 1. 8. 9 minus 6. 3. 9 minus 4. 5. Then this number is less 1 again. Less 1 again means we will get 5. So 5 minus 2. 3. In this method, condition is number above 1 followed by 0, then this method 2 will be follow like 20, 300, 4000. Okay. All from 9, last from 10, 1 less again. So 20 is given. So first 0, 1 0 is given. So last from 10, 10 subtract பண்ணா we will get 8. Then less 1 less again. So ஒரு 0 தான் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. ஸோ 10 நம்ம லாஸ்ட் நம்பரை 10ஆல் சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணிட்டோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் நம்பர் தான் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, 0 கொடுக்கல. ஸோ அந்த நம்பரை லெஸ் 1 அகைன் பண்ணிவிட்டு 2 minus 1, 1, 18. ஓகே, திஸ் மெத்தட் ஷுட் ஃபாலோ 700. ஸோ 2 zeros are given. ஸோ லாஸ்ட் ஃப்ரம் 10, 10 minus 2, 8. The remaining 9, subtract from 9, 9 minus 4, 5. The number is given, less 1 again, then it will be 6. So same thing here. 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 1 is 8, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 4 is 5, and number is given less 1 again, then it will be 5, then 5 minus 2, 3. This is the condition for method 2.